Hello everyone, Tom here from KJP with a quick look at our Wenge project boards. So Wenge project boards will come to you either 3/4 of an inch thick or 1 5/8 inches thick. The 3/4 of an inch material will be 4 3/4 inches wide, and the 1 5/8 inches material will be 5 1/4 inches wide. We sell them in 2 foot lengths, 3 foot lengths and 4 foot lengths. You'll find more information if you look at the website. We do obviously pick a piece for you that we hope you will like, and basically the criteria for that is if I would use it in my woodworking, then I would be happy sending it to you. So we always look through we have a large stock of material always on hand. We always look through our stock to find material that we expect you will like. That's our promise to you, that we'll do our best to make you happy. So Wenge, a very hard wood, a little bit brittle. You'll need nice sharp tools, but a fantastic wood for a very dark accent for your woodworking. So thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy your woodworking.